Hi everyone, I'm Laura Mazzini, I'm international trainer for Diego Dalla Palma Professional. Today with you, I would like to talk about skin age. What is skin age? Probably you already know that by passing the time, more signs of aging appear on our skin, such as wrinkles, saggy skin, for example. But maybe you don't know that we have two different types of age. One is called biological age, and one is called cellular age. What the difference? Biological age is chronological age. It depends how old are you. So how old are you? And this is the 50% of the reason why we get older. The other 50% is made of cellular age. Cellular age depends on many situations. Depend on lifestyle choice, depend on diet, depend on stress, depend on environment, depend how much we care about the skin daily, as a daily beauty routine. And this represented the rest of the 50% why we get older. Cellular age basically means what your skin look like, and that is not connected to your real age. So the 50% of cellular age is where we can really do something about, and there where we can slowing down the sign of aging. Also, in the chronological age, this is a scientific study that something really changed in our age. We naturally produce less cell. The skin becomes thinner, become more dehydrating, become more dry on the surface, become also more sensitive, more large pores appear. But deep down also we produce less hyaluronic acid, so the skin is less smooth and more wrinkles appear. We produce less collagen and elastin fibers. The two fibers are important for give structure, for give density of the skin, to give the tone, and that are slowing down. And also we have chronal age and photo age. And these also appear sometimes some spots called age spot, basically. This is something really we needed to care about, and understanding what happened in different stage of age, because when we are 20, when we are 30, 40, 50, 60 plus, the skin appears in a different way, and deep down into the skin something changing, something different. So it's very important to divide the aging process in different stages. For example, when you have 25 to 30, is the time you really maybe more care about the skin, and you wanted to rebalance the skin, you want to moisturize, hydrating, and start to think about to age and start to prevent the sign of aging. When we more or less we are 30 years old, this is the time where it starts to appear more sign of aging. It starts to appear more line, maybe it's called fine lines, the beginning of wrinkles, and these appear more on the forehead, in this area, and around the eyes. And this is more connected with emotions, more connected with the expression line. And also around 30 years old, we have a silence, we call that silence inflammation. We have inflammation deep down into the skin, into the dermis, but nothing appears yet. Okay? And this depends once again of the environment, the stress, diet, life of choice. And this is something appears to everybody. And that is depend of the free radicals. The free radicals, they causing a problem, they causing aging sign, and this is we call inflammatory, but deep down into the skin. And when you are 30 years old, 30 to 40 is really the time you need to think about to protect the skin, to counteract the free radicals, and also to start to prevent the sign of aging. When you reach 40 plus, probably you have around the eyes called crow feet, or also on the forehead more wrinkles appear. And we produce also less hyaluronic acid, we produce less collagen and elastin fibers. So we need to redensify the skin. We need to boost the skin to stimulate more those fibers to improve the sign of aging. When you reach 50, it appears some lines around the lips and probably on the forehead and around the eyes. The sign of aging, the wrinkles are more there, are more visible. Also it started to appear probably sometimes some spot. It's called age spot. We need to renew the skin. We need to, in some way, to boost the skin to renew and also to create a more lift-up effect. When you pass the 50, you go to 60, you need to 70 years old, definitely you have more wrinkles around the face in different area, also on the cheeks area, and here around the neck we have definitely more saggy skin. So see, in the different stage of age we have in the skin we have a different need. And this is why with the icon time here we created different active ingredients to counteract the sign of aging according with the chronological age and biological age. I'm going to explain very soon. Icon time here as a product to use as a home care. It's created a different type of product to use in the different stage of age, such as chronological age or also cellular age. So we divided the product in 3 different stages, which is 30 years old plus, where is the time we started to prevent really the sign of aging, and is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. 40 years old plus, where we wanted to redensify even more the skin, to boost the collagen and elastin fibers, and also to treat the sign of aging such as wrinkles, for example. 50 years old plus is a time where we renew the skin. And here we wanted to improve as a sagging skin to prevent also the age spot and naturally renew the skin. As active ingredients in this line, we apply 51 plus 3, this biorejuvenation cocktail made of 3 different hyaluronic acid with a different molecular weight to give the best supplement, to give the best hydration, to smooth and filler the line. Also, we have a different type of vitamins, peptide, amino acid, ceramide, nucleic acid. Everything is really very necessary to the skin. Give the right supplement for the right also hydration and also moisturize the skin. We also had silver dust. Silver dust is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Golden collagenine, very powerful to stimulate the fibroblasts to produce more fibers. And also we apply platinum. Platinum is very well known as a renew the skin and also improve the lift up. Now let me explain the line icon time. So first of all, we divided different products according with different stage of age you are in. So we have product for 30 years old plus, 40 years old plus, and 50 plus. So we have to choose different type. We have 3 different type of cream. It's a 24-hour cream to use in the morning and in the evening. For 30 years old plus, we are revitalizing cream. 40 plus, redensify, and 50 we have renew cream. We have also the eye cream. We suggest to apply in different stage because it's prevent, treat the crow feet, also improve the microcirculation, illuminate all around the eyes, and also counteract the puffiness and also the dark circle. We have also the trilogy here. The trilogy is a kit, and this is a serum. It's very high concentration of serum. This all the entire kit is good for a month, for 28 days. So we have 3 different type of vials. The first 7 or 10 days more or less, we use the first one, it's made of silver. The second one it's gold collagenine, and then we go to the platinum. So once we choose the first, we take the product, we just push the cap, and we activate the active ingredients are inside. And then we apply the dropper, okay? The dropper is we use 4 to 5 drops in the morning, in the evening. We warm up a little bit on the palm, and with the fingertip we apply before to apply the cream. I would like to read inside, there is some folder inside, and as a whole entire line, it's clinical study, and I would like to read what is the result by using 28 days with the trilogy. So your skin increases the density plus 55%, increase the elasticity plus 70%, and there is a reduction of wrinkles plus 75%. This is for all trilogy, but this is also for all entire line. We have some novelties. The novelties are also this beautiful product, this gold elixir. Gold elixir, as you can see here, there is some gold inside, gold collagenine. We have also microencapsulated hyaluronic acid. We have a biopeptide. This is we shake, first of all, before to use it. And then this kind of a gel serum. We apply just a small amount of on the face, neck, and the décolleté. Okay, you just spray it all over before to apply the cream. And also we have a specific product for the hands. This cream for the hands enriched in vitamin C. It's helped to deep nourishing the skin, deep hydrating, but also prevent the treated sign of aging, and also boost the collagen fiber to give a more redensified for the skin, for the hands. And then we have this beautiful super mask ready to use. Behind there is all the instruction how to use, and this specific for around the eyes and critical point. This is ready to use. We just take off, we apply on the eyes, we leave it for 10 minutes. And then after we just remove and we massage a little bit and we pass through the cream. This is made of 2 different layers. Inside we have also diamond dust, we have peptide, golden collagenine, and these 2 double layers of the materials, it's helpful for deep penetration of the active ingredients.